Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are hale and hearty. This time is a testing time for all of you because your courage, patience, and self control is being tested. You all are forced to stay inside your houses just to protect yourself from the deadly coronavirus. Are you all feeling bored? If yes, then no problem. We, your teachers, are always there for all of you. This time also, we have come with something more interesting and exciting. You know what is that? That is a virtual tour to your neighborhood. For this, you don't have to come out of your houses, but at the same time, you will be able to know what makes your neighborhood, who are the people who stay in your neighborhood, and who are the people who are risking their lives just for your safety, just to keep you safe. So, my dear children, fasten your seat belts, get yourself ready for the exciting virtual tour with us. So, here we go.
Good morning everyone. I am Gangadhar, Shreyans Gaurav Panda's father, who is in class 2 section C of TAV Public School book report. So I'm going to speak a little about what is neighborhood, right? So we interact daily with a lot of people in and around us, right? You all are interacting with your people around you. Perhaps the people that we deal with most closely every day are our neighbors, right? That is because they live right next to us. We meet them almost daily. Any news, good or bad, it first shared with the neighbors, right? Good neighbors can make the life really pleasant, while bad neighbors can do the opposite. I'm too lucky to have such families, such good families as my neighbors. We all get along quite well, and we don't ever quarrel till now. The reason may be the fact that we live in the same colony and we share our thoughts with them, right? So let me show you what my neighborhood looks like, and then I'll tell you how do we proceed from here.
Hello everyone, my child is studying in DAV Pokhri Poot. So now with the concept of stricter rules and regulations for the ongoing pandemic, majority of the neighborhood looks like this. Empty roads, no one to be seen. Neighborhood is like a blessing. A happy neighbor is like a blessing to all of us. So today, let me show you my neighbor. Hello auntie.
Hi Mitra.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Yes auntie, I am good.
How are your parents and everyone at home?
Everyone's doing good auntie. Do you need any help?
Yeah, I needed a packet of milk and bread.
Oh sure auntie, I'll definitely try to arrange and I'll come back, get
And
back
I'll
to you
be keeping
soon.
a bag over here. You don't have to enter fully.
Yes,
Keep
yes,
it inside the basket that I keep near the stairs.
yes. Okay auntie. Okay auntie, it was nice talking to you.
Let's talk a few more minutes, please. It's been long I've seen you or your parents.
Yes. Socializing is like...
Come here, we'll stand 6 feet apart.
No auntie, I will not enter. We are good. We are maintaining social distancing. We are bothered about each other's mental and well-being, mental health and well-being. Yeah. So, okay auntie, enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
As we move forward, you will get to see majority of the household they don't even have.
So what we do is we take care of our neighbors, and since it is a COVID time, we are very responsible enough not to get into homes of people like we used to do it before. and that's where we have been really cautious about it, right? So that's our neighborhood that I already show you. So what we all know is we are all always ready to help each other, right? I feel very lucky to have such great families as my neighbors, and I hope that everybody has the same kind of a neighbor that I have, which made my life more peaceful and happier. Right? I wish everyone would have such great families as neighbors. Right? Thank you so very much. Take care.
Oh, nice! See how we live with our neighbors, sharing and caring for each other. But children, our neighborhood also consists of park, mall, hospital, police station, market complex, places of worship, etc. So let's visit them one by one. Now, your favorite place where you play, you jump, and you have lot of fun. I'm sure you are missing this place a lot. So, guess which is this place? Yes, it's a park. Let's visit a park.
Hello kids, you all love playing, but do you know there is a place where you can play, take a walk, run around and see the nature? Yes, it's a park. Madhusudan Das Park near our school is such a beautiful place, and let's have a virtual tour to the facility which is under the city authorities. As you enter the park, you can notice signage regarding the name of the park. After that, as you enter the beautiful open space full with greenery, you will find the statue of Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das, after whom the park is named. Let's move around and you can notice a beautiful lawn where children play, and there are well-maintained rides in the children's play area where little ones can have a good choice to choose the rides, from the swings to merry-go-rounds and slides. Kids would have a fun-filled time and explore the rides they love to play with. After seeing the rides, let's have a look at the walking track. People of different age groups take their morning and evening walks here to keep them fit, both mentally and physically. There are also open-air gym equipment. People can stretch their bodies here and remain fit. At Madhusudan Das Park, there is also a skating rink in which kids play and learn the techniques of wheel skating. In the green lawns of it, kids, youth and senior citizens turn up for various physical activities. As the park helps us in keeping better health, we also see that the surrounding remains clean.
Oh, did you all enjoy? You loved it, I know. Have you been with your parents to a place where you get everything? Grocery, frozen food, milk, vegetables, what not? So, what is that place? That's a mall. Now we cannot go, but we can definitely visit virtually. Let's go.
Hello and a very good morning children. Today I'm here at Reliance Fresh Supermarket and I'm here to take you for a fun, exciting supermarket virtual tour. So without ado, let's get started and let's see what is a supermarket all about.
So children, there you can see Reliance Fresh out here.
So my dear children, I have just entered Reliance Fresh. My mask is on and as you can see, that's a hand sanitizer machine, and after I entered, I'll just take some sanitizer and I'll clean my hands up and let's go. So my sweet little kids, here you can see varieties of sweet packets. Some are dry fruits, some are sweets, and here are some delicious chocolates right inside the refrigerator. So this needs to be inside the fridge or it's going to melt. So children, these supermarkets like Reliance Fresh, they have these big refrigerators because there are so many varieties of frozen things like your cold drinks or chocolates. So these are all kept inside a big refrigerator unit. So you can see the size of the fridge is so big, unlike the ones which we have in our house. So these are all big sized refrigerators, so many things can be inside it. So children, here you can see different kinds of fruits, different varieties of fruits, and some leafy vegetables are also kept here. Now this unit is an open refrigeration unit, so this helps in keeping these food items cool. So it is an open refrigerator. So here it has many shelves having curd, paneer, cheese, milk. So here you can see some very healthy green vegetables, different colors of vegetables in fact, so which are very healthy for all of us. So next you can see different types of dal, pulses, grains, which we usually have it in our lunch. If you know children, rice and dal. So this is where we get it from. So this section has all kinds of namkeen or snacks which we all love to eat. Your morning breakfast cornflakes, varieties of big sized juice packs. So as you can see, these are all your breakfast products. There's honey, peanut butter, jam and jelly, dry fruits, all your kitchen masalas. They are also known as your kitchen spices, which mama uses to make delicious curries. These are some big sized cooking oil jars. Now these are your biscuits and wafers counter, as you can see. So kids, again these are some of your favorite morning cereals, chocos, cornflakes, different kinds of cereals you can see here. So here you can see different kinds of toothpaste, which we use it early in the morning to brush our teeth, face wash, and different kinds of Dior sprays. Then these are your washing detergents which we use to wash our clothes, your bathroom cleaners. So these items, they help to keep the floors of different rooms germ free and neat and clean and tidy. So here kids, you can see these are your health drinks. Yes, these health drinks, they keep us fit, healthy. So here you can see all of them.
नमस्ते सर, आम डीएवी पब्लिक स्कूल पब्लिक आसिलु जेहेतु रिलायंस बहुत बड़ सुपर मार्केट, तो आज आम सर आउ टे अधिक जिन विषय सुपर मार्केट विषय आम जाना। सर
बाहर ऑलरेडी गोटे थुआई लोकंर सेंसर केमती सानिटाइज हो पारे फर्स्ट हैंड सानिटाइज होगी एंट्री करेंगे आम क्यू रही पूरा सिस्टम
सो जमी विनोद सर एटिकार जी एएसएम अच्छा आम स्टोर मैनेजर सुपर मार्केट स्टोर मैनेजर। तो सी फर्स्ट जिन कहले जे एंटर कला बेल को हैंड सानिटाइजर ये रखाई जोटा कि जी भी आसो आगे हैंड सानिटाइज करके बसवे। ओके सर, एबे सर आमको आ गोटे नुआ प्रकार जिनस देखेबे। आस समस्ते देखिबा, तमे माने समस्ते घरे अच्छो तो तमे माने देखि पारु नथबो, किंतु आज विनोद सर आमको बढ़िया बढ़िया नुआ जिनस आज देखेबे।
बिलिंग काउंटर, अच्छा
एटा पिला माने एटा हला बिलिंग काउंटर,
एटा हमर जो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट रो मशीन।
अच्छा अपन टिके सेरा पाखु कोनी देखि परिबे। अच्छा एटारे तम डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, एटीएम एटा कोन सर आउट रे पिला कोइ
फाइन लैब मशीन कोनती ऑनलाइन मशीन जो कि सब आरो स्वाइप मोड ऑफ पेमेंट आदरे ଆପଣ ସାଇଜ୍ କରିକି ଜିନିଷ ନେଇପାରିବେ।
ओके सर एटा कोनटा
ଆମର ବିଲିଂ ଯୋଉଟା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ପସ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
अच्छा
ତା ଦେହରେ ଯାହା ଆମର ଆଇଟମ୍ ଆସୁଛି
आगे
ଆମେ ତା ଦେହରେ ଲୋड करके बिलिंग केते पैसा होला कोन होला सब कंप्यूटराइज।
अच्छा तो एटा पूरा फुल्ली कंप्यूटराइज्ड
Fully
स्क्रीन रे माने एथरे सब बिलिंग इंफॉर्मेशन सब हो अच्छा
प्रोडक्ट कोन सब आदरे इंफॉर्मेशन दे।
ओके एटा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग देखा जाउची तमे माने समस्त ऑनलाइन पाठ पढ़ा पढ़ी करी कि तमे जानि पथबो दिस इज व्हाट अ स्क्रीन लुक्स लाइक इजंट इट एटा सर कोन
बिलिंग रे जो बाहर है प्रिंट
अच्छा
जस्ट
ओके देखिलो पिला माने केमती बाहर ला ये स्लिप अच्छा एटा हला तमरा बिलिंग मशीन ता
बिलिंग मशीन एंड दिस इज द बिलिंग पेपर
अच्छा
बिल जोड़ा कोन
आज्ञा तो आज विनोद सर हमको बहुत जिनस देखैले आज गोटे आउ गोटे बढ़िया नुआ जिनस कोन सर हाथ रे धरि चंती आस समस्त देखिबा और जानिबा एटा कोन
मैम एडा जियो हमरो जान मार्च मास रे जेम कोविड आरंभ हला
आज्ञा
हम कंपनी लोक जो घरे रहिले गवर्नमेंट आज पर गवर्नमेंट रूल्स ସେଥିପାଇଁ कंपनी कौन कला हम होम डिलीवरी सुविधा कस्टमर ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି।
अच्छा होम डिलीवरी एबे समस्त को कुहा छी स्टे होम स्टे सेफ तो होम डिलीवरी विषय सर टिके कहू चले समस्त मन दिए कि सुनि
जोड़ा कि हमर बिलिंग कॉस्ट देखिले
अच्छा
एटा कस्टमर कोन हमको टिके आसुथिले हम बिल करके दउथिले वर्तमान कंपनी लॉन्च करतला जियो मार्ट तेनकरी तार एटा बिलिंग मशीन बिलिंग कॉस्ट बिल आदरे सब एटी गोटे
अच्छा
आदरे सब हे
सो एक गोटे मशीन रे विच इज सो हैंडी समस्त देखि परथु एटा केते हैंडी सर बस गोटे हाथ रे धरि दे
जस्ट लुक लाइक ओनली मोबाइल
यस एग्जैक्टली एटा मोबाइल स्मार्टफोन बढिया हे देखा जाउची तो एटा रे
आदरे सब हमर बिलिंग रे सब प्रोसेस अछि।
अच्छा ओके लवली थैंक यू सर वन मोर बढ़िया गोटे नुआ टेक्नोलॉजी विषय में जानलु कि घरे रही कि जते बेले एटा कोन कहउछि जियो
मार्ट रो लॉन्चर
जियो मार्ट लॉन्चर याको हमें जियो मार्ट लॉन्चर कहउछु सो सी चिल्ड्रन पूरा सुपर मार्केट इज एक्चुअली सुपर इंटेलिजेंट आल्सो केते बढ़िया बढ़िया सब नुआ इंटेलिजेंट सुपर मशीन्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड सो चिल्ड्रन वी सॉ द होल सुपर मार्केट व्हिच इज सो ह्यूज and this supermarket also has a back office. Now let's see this back office. विनोद सर हमको आउ टिके देखैबे आज एटा हमर सरंकर एटा ऑफिस सो एटी सब ऑल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वर्क सब कितने बड़ बड़ फाइल सब देखि परतु समस्त सो दिस इज द बैक ऑफिस सो विनोद सर हमको आज बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया बहुत नुआ नुआ जिनस देखैले आज आउ गोटे जिनस विषय रे पचारिबा ए जिनसटा कोन सर हमको टिके कहिबे प्लीज
एटा सैनिटाइजर मशीन ता
अच्छा
पूरा सैनिटाइज होची पूरा एंटायर स्टोर
अच्छा
सेटा केते बेला होची हमर जोटा दीटा शिफ्टिंग अछि पिला माने फर्स्ट आसी 6 टा रु दीटा पर आ गोटे सेकंड शिफ्टिंग हमर आरंभ
आगे
सेकंड शिफ्टिंग आरंभ हबारु कंपनी पर इंस्ट्रक्शन में 15 मिनिट स्टोर क्लोज रहइबो पूरा होल स्टोर सैनिटाइज हल्ला पर सेकंड शिफ्ट पिला एंट्री
अच्छा एटा कोन माने गैस भया बाहर
एटा पूरा स्प्रे भले ही पूरा सैनिटाइज पूरा होल प्रोडक्ट सैनिटाइज
सो आपण समस्त देखि पारुथिबे जे कितने बढ़िया प्रिकॉशंस नै चंदी So children, here you can see that's a sanitization machine and in every 15 minutes the entire store is cleared up so as to sanitize everything. Thank you sir. आज आपनको पाई आमो पिला माननको बहुत जिंस देखिया पे मिलिला. So kids, that was your virtual tour of a supermarket. Hope you all enjoyed it.
Do we hear about building immunity these days? Yes, the most important way to keep ourselves safe during this COVID time is to build our immunity. And what can be better than having lots of green vegetables and fruits? And of course, lots of pulses, grams and nuts. So come on, let's see where do we get them from?
आमे एठी परिबा बिकुचु एते टिके कोविड लागि कस्टमर टिके कम आछंदी आ एते सेल हमर होनी सेमिति चलछि आ जेता जथा शीघ्र कोविड पळो बोले आमे भगवान का खाली गुहारी करछु आ सकाळ भी बंद हो जाउ सेत में एते परिबा सेल भी हेई परनी बेपार तो ये वर्ष बहुत मांदा चलची लोक मान भी टिके सकाळु आसीबा कम टिके 12टा पर्यंत जो टाइम लिमिट रखी देला तापर 12टा पर जो सटडाउन हो जाऊँगी पुणी लोक टे आसवे सकाळु सकाळु आसवा लोक टे कम आसुँच हाँ आसिले भी आम पाखे सब प्रकार सामान सब बेले एभेलेबल रही पाऊनी आम गोदाम रू पुणी सामान आने को हेले पुणी 12टा पर जावाक पड़ुछि को गोदाम केबे केबे खोला थाउछ केबे बंद हो थाउछि सब बेले सामान रहूनी लोक केते फेरुचंती आम पाखरु आउ कोविड लगी तो सब मास्क फास्क पिंधिकी आसुचंती लोक बहुत सचेतन अछंती हेले सचेतन लोक तो अछंती हेले हमर टिके व्यापार आर वर्ष भी बहुत कम थिला एबे भी बहुत कम अछि खाली भगवान को डाकुछु केंति जल्दी भल हो जाऊ आमर भी घर संसार अच्छी आम टिके जेते हेले भी टिके एडजस्ट करिकी चलुछु आउ आमे तो एठी दुकान रे मध्य सब दौड़ी फौड़ी बांधिकी सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करिकी समस्त को रखिया को चेष्टा करछु जेति भी लोक आसुचंती समस्त सचेतन रहउचंती धाड़ी बांधी ठिया की सामान नउचंती समस्त मास्क भी पिंधि थाउचंती आउ आमे भी तो सब बेले मास्क ही पिंधि थाउछु
Do you know, children? A very important part of our neighborhood is the medicine store. Many of them are open day and night to serve us when suddenly we fall sick. Before we visit our doctor and after we visit our doctor, we need their help to get the medicines. So let's see.
आग अपेक्षा कोविड तो ए सारा ओडिशा रे कौन सारा भारत रे पूरा बढ़ी चलची आम एति खाली जनसाधारण को सतर्क करने को चाहूँ कि समस्ते जी पार्टी घरे रुहतु आवश्यक पड़े ही घर बाहर को आसतु सब मास्क पिंधि रही था सब सैनिटाइज करूँ आउ सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर सब रही था आम तो ये सब दुकान अब तो ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट बंद कर देछि खाली मेडिकल शॉप आउ पेट्रोल पंप छाड़ी आम तो जेते हेले भी लोक मान कार्यरत होगापी बाध्य आम आगे छु समस्त काम करने जी पार्चु आम रोगी को सेवा करने आगे छु आउ एतिकी ही कहया चाहूँ कि समस्ते सुरक्षित रुहतु जी पारुची घरे ही रुहतु आउ जी होउची आपन निकटतर हॉस्पिटल से वैक्सीन नहीं जानतु
It is said, health is wealth. The whole world is now worried about being free from diseases, and the place where we go when we fall sick is the hospital. This is a very important place of our neighborhood. So, let's visit a hospital and see in which way does it help us.
Very good morning, dear children. So today I am here to take you inside the Government Hospital OSAP 7th Battalion Campus Bhubaneswar. So let's get inside and find out what all do we have inside this hospital. Namaskar madam, आम DAV Public School पोखरीपुट आसीचु आम वीडियोटा आम पिलांक पई करूछु जोथरे कि पिला माने तांका नेबरहुड विषय जानिबे आम चाहिबो आपण टिके निज विषय प्रथमे किछि कहिबे आ आम पिलांक पई कि
नमस्कार मु निवेदिता खंडायत स्टाफ नर्स भाव में एथर काम कर 7th Battalion हॉस्पिटल मोर ये 3 वर्ष होगा वर्तमान तो जानते फास्ट आम कोरोना को भाया व्यापी आर वर्ष तो समस्ते को भाया डरी थे पुणी सेकेंड लहरी भी आसी तेणुक आम यहाँ बिना सिम्पटम भी लोक मानू व्यापुची तेणुक आम निहाती सतर्कता अवलंबन करवा छोट पिला मानू आम निहाती तो से तो किसी जानीपर आम बुझेवा जे यहाँ एमती कर आम तो प्रथम सामाजिक दूरता रक्षा करवा मास्क तो पिंधा हाथ सैनिटाइज करवा ता सहित ज्वर थंडा काश कौन है इमिडिएट हॉस्पिटल माने देखा करवा आउ लोक मैंने पिंधु ना घरे घरे भी आम मास्क पिंधाटा निहाती जरूरी तापरे आउ तो जमी वैक्सीन भी अच्छी भी आम नवा टाइम रे
मैडम आउ गोटे जिनस आम जिते कहले भी कम आपण मानक जिते धन्यवाद देले भी कम कहीं एमती परिस्थिति रे आपण माने निज जीवन को त्याग करके आसिकी आपनकर ड्यूटी करूचंती
एक्चुअली मोर भी दीटा छुआ समस्ते जिते भी मैरिड पर्सन डॉक्टर स्टाफ नर्स फार्मासिस्ट समस्ते होल हॉस्पिटल टीम समस्ते फैमिली छाड़ी के आसिक ड्यूटी करछंती आमे जदी फैमिली छाड़ी के आसिक ड्यूटी करछु आपण मानक पय आपण माने भी सतर्कता अवलंबन निहाती दरकार तेणुक मोर आपण मानक एतिक अनुरोध आपण माने ठीक रे कोरोना टाइम रे आपण घरे रुहंतु
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ।
थैंक यू मैडम थैंक यू आपन को भी आम तरफ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपण जी आम समस्त कि करूँ राति ना दिन ना आपण किंतु आपण ड्यूटी रे लगी
We really salute you for that, madam. तो पिला माने आमे एबे 7th बैटालियन हॉस्पिटल भितर को आसीचो एठी हम निवेदिता मैडम अछंती तो निवेदिता मैडम आमको आज हॉस्पिटल भितर को नहीं कि देखेबे सब विभिन्न रूम आ को रूम को पर्पस में यूज करा जाए आशा हमें तांको सहित हमें मिसी के देखिबा
माने एक्सीडेंट हे केसले फास्ट
आज्ञा
हमरो फास्ट ट्रीटमेंट हमरो दिया
अच्छा सो माइनर एक्सीडेंट्स किछि जहा जदी हेतिबो ताले फर्स्ट एडटा एठी आपनकर दिया होची तो एटा हमें माइनर ओटी कहूचो मैम हम टिके भितर को जाई परिबा चलो आज्ञा तो ये पिला माने देखी पार्थुबो तो जेतक तुम सब माइनर इंजुरीज माइनर एक्सीडेंट पाई कि एटा आम ये रूम को माइनर ओटी बोली कहूचो एटी निवेदिता मैडम हमको भितर नहीं आछंती तो ये सब देखी पार्थ सब फर्स्ट एड रखा है नेक्स्ट एटा इंजेक्शन रूम पिला माने एटा तो समस्त को बहुत डर लगे किंतु आम निश्चय देखा ये रूम रे कौन एक्चुअली अच्छी एटा हला तुम आउथरे मु देखौची एटा हला तुमरो इंजेक्शन रूम ये देखी पार्छ लिखा है इंजेक्शन रूम अच्छा चलो देखा भितर अच्छा तो बस ये इंजेक्शन नवापाई ये गोटे पेशेंट शोक इंजेक्शन नहीं पारे प्राइवेसी पाई ओके मैडम ओके ये आम देखा नेक्स्ट अच्छा यहाँ डॉक्टर रूम से ये आम देखिपुँ ये गोटे टेबल चेयर एंड जितक सब जिनस रखाही प्रथम तो आम देखिपुँ से गोटे रेड कलर हैंड सैनिटाइजर अच्छी जोटा कि एबे नीड ऑफ द आवर आम समस्त को दरकार निहाती भाव में हैंड सैनिटाइज करवा ओके मैडम आम ये रूमटा कौन यहाँ कह जाए अच्छा ओके सो डिस्पेंसिंग रूमटा यहाँ कह जाऊँगी चलतु टी भितर पशिक देखा
तो पिला माने आमे एबे आसीचु मेडिसिन रूम भितर को ये आमर जने मैडम अछंती जे सब मेडिसिन्स रो डिटेल्स रखंती एठी देखो पिला माने केते प्रकार मेडिसिन सब रखा है सब विभिन्न टाइप रो पर्पस पाई कि तमे देखि पारुथबो केते सब मेडिसिन्स मैडम एठी सब देखौचंती तो सेति पे एटा को हमें कोन कहू मेडिसिन रूम
तो निवेदिता मैडम ए रूमटा को हमें कोन कहिबो अच्छा पैथोलॉजी लैबोरेटरी रूम तो ये सब टेस्टिंग काम हुए ना तो आम सान पिला माने जानिया पे ये तुम देखी पार्थुबो पिला माने सब ब्लड टेस्ट पाई कि जहाँ जहाँ जिनस दरकार हुए से ही सब टाइप रो जिनस ये रखा है ब्लड टेस्टिंग पाई कि तो से
शुगर टेस्ट हुए
आज्ञा
हमर हीमोग्लोबिन टेस्ट हुए
अच्छा अच्छा सब विभिन्न प्रकार ब्लड टेस्ट जहाँ आमको दरकार सैंपल्स ये सब टेस्टिंग करा हुए
So children,
I have something really important and something very special for all of you as you will be meeting with a wonderful person and she's a great doctor. So before I say anything more, let's meet our dear ma'am today.
Myself Dr. Mamta Nayak, Medical Officer Police Hospital. अच्छा समस्त को जना अच्छे पिला माने ए कोविड-19 सिचुएशन में हमको केमिति प्रोटेक्ट हम केमिति निजे सुस्थ रही परिबा हला समस्त जाने चंदी ए गोटे वायरल इन्फेक्शन ए वायरस इन्फेक्शन ता एयर और कांटेक्ट थोरे ट्रांसमिट हुए हला तो एयर ए ट्रांसमिशन को हमें प्रिवेंट करिया पय हमें मास्क और सैनिटाइजर यूज करबा किंतु ए वायरस ता हमर नोज और माउथ थ्रोरे हम बॉडी भीतर को एंट्री करि थाए तेणु आमको ए बॉडी भीतर को एंट्री न करने आम मास्क फुल कवर टू द माउथ एंड टू नोज बोथ को कवर करवा उचित तेणु पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में चेष्टा करवा जते बाहर को न जावाई बहुत दरकार पड़े आम जेहेतु बाहर को जाऊँ जमीक डॉक्टर सोसाइटी पुलिस सोसाइटी समस्त को बाहर को जावाक बाध्य तो से छड़ा छोट छोट पिला निश्चित कहीपरि तुम्हें 24 आवर्स घरे रही समय बाहर को जी आटा मना कर बाहर को गला बेले आपण को तुम पूरा फुल कवर मास्क को पिंधा को पड़ो जोटा कि नाक और माउथ को कवर करवा दरकार पिला जो बाहर आसीगला
निज हैंड को सैनिटाइज करेंगे आइदर हैंड सैनिटाइजर द्वारा और साबुन द्वारा भल कर वाश करेंगे। छोट पिला बेसिकली इम्यूनिटी शक्ति बहुत थाए हेले भी आमको इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाई आमको सब विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स अधिक नवाक पड़ो। तेणु ये विटामिन मिनरल्स आम सब कौन बेसी पाते समस्त जना विटामिन मिनरल्स बेसी वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रुट्स रे थाए। तेणु आमको प्लेंटी अमाउंट रे मिनरल्स vegetables and fruits नवाक पड़ो।
Hello children, myself Dr. Menka from AIMS Bhubaneswar. As you all know that COVID pandemic is going on and it is disturbing all of us. But we should not lose hope. We can all overcome this pandemic by following COVID appropriate behaviors. The first and most important is that we have to stay at home, stay indoors, stay safe and stay protected. If it is very essential or emergency we have to go out, we should take care of two things. First and most important is we have to wear mask, preferably 2 masks, and it should well cover our nose, mouth and chin. Like I am wearing, it is covering both the areas properly. The second thing is we have to maintain social distance of 2 meters from each and other so that we are not getting cross infection. Why? It is an airborne transmission. So we should wear mask and maintain social distance. And when we are coming back to home, we should wash our hands immediately with soap water or sanitizer. And without washing, it should not go and touch our eyes, ear and nose. And very important children, we should eat healthy food and preferably homemade foods, no outside food. Okay? So if we all follow these precautions carefully, we can overcome this. And in case if you are having some viral symptoms like fever, running nose, sore throat, inform your parents immediately. If required, take medical attention. Okay? And whatever tests are being told to you and medicines are prescribed, take it carefully and follow the precautions. Okay? So by following all these precautions and advice, we all can overcome this pandemic and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
It is very important to live a secure and safe life, isn't it, children? For this, there is a police station in our neighborhood. It is open to serve us day and night. So, let us visit a police station and see what role it plays in our lives.
Hello kids, so this is an important place, police station. Police station is there in every locality. People come for help when they are in trouble. They catch thieves. He is a policeman. He is in charge of the police station. These are handcuffs that are used for locking the prisoners. And this is a prison cell where prisoners are kept. Now we will listen what this policeman has to say.
Due to severe outbreak of COVID-19, in order to contain COVID-19, there shall be lockdown throughout the state with effect from 5th May 2021, Wednesday till 5 am of May 19, 2021 Wednesday. However, there shall be complete shutdown on weekends starting 6 pm of Fridays till 5 am of Mondays.
To go from one place to another, we use different means of transport. Do you know, children, how these means of transport run? As to work, we need energy, and that is our food. Similarly, the vehicles need energy to run. What is that energy? It is the fuel like petrol, diesel, CNG, etc. And where do we get it? We get it in a petrol pump. So, let's visit a petrol pump.
Hello everyone, good morning my dear kids. You can find this place around your neighborhood. Do you know what is this place called? This place is called petrol pump. People come here to fill petrol in their vehicles. The vehicles, there are different vehicles, car, bus, truck, so they come to fill the petrol in this pump. तो भाई आपण एठी कौन करिया पे आछंती? गोटे लीटर पेट्रोल रो दाम केते? धन्यवाद. So you can see people fill petrol in their vehicles here. So vehicles need petrol to run. We need to follow few rules on this petrol pump, like no mobile phones while filling up the petrol, don't smoke, and keep your engine turned off. As well as in this point of time, there is another rule that we should be in our mask while filling up the petrol in the petrol pump.
Children, do you watch news every day? Yes, it helps to know what's going on around us, in our country and in the world. Especially nowadays we are getting so many information regarding keeping ourselves safe from this news. So, from where is this broadcasted? It comes from the newsroom through a news channel. Let's see what is a news channel all about.
Hello children, ମୁଁ ମଧୁମିତା ନାୟକ. ତୁମେ ମାନେ ତୁମର ନେବରହୁଡ୍ ମାନେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ୍, ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ, ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ, ରେଲୱେ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଏସବୁ ବିଷୟରେ ତ ଜାଣିଛ. ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଠିଆ ହୋଇଛି ତା କ'ଣ ଜାଣିଛ? ଏ ହେଉଛି ଏକ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ 7. ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଘରେ ରହି ଦେଶ ବିଦେଶର ଟିକନିକ୍ ଖବର ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରୁ ହିଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଥାଅ. ଏଭଳି ଏକ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେମିକ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ରେ ଆମେମାନେ ଯିଏ ବି ଏଇ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେହି ଘରେ ରହିନାହାନ୍ତି. ପ୍ରତି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ସେମାନେ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଟିକନିକ୍ ଖବର ପହଞ୍ଚାଇଛନ୍ତି. ଚାଲ ଏବେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବା ଆଉ ଦେଖିବା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତି କେମିତି ହୋଇଥାଏ. ଓ ନିଫ୍ଟିରେ ଆଖି ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ବୃଦ୍ଧି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଛି.
ଉତ୍ତର ଭାରତରେ ଜାରି ରହିଛି ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲହରୀ, ଥରୁଛି ରାଜଧାନୀ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ.
ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପାଇଁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଶର ଅର୍ଥନୈତିକ ହାଲତ ବିଗିଡ଼ିବାରେ
ବହୁତ ହ୍ରାସ ରହିଛି.
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ
ପୁରୁଣା ଖବର ଫଲୋ ଆଉ ନୂଆ କିଛି ଖାସ୍ ଖବର.
ମୁଁ ସମୀକ୍ଷା ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ, ରିପୋର୍ଟର ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ 7. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯାହା କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସରୁ ଯେଉଁ ପେଣ୍ଡାମିକ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ପୁରା ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷରେ ରହିଛି, ତା ଛଡ଼ା ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏହା ବ୍ୟାପକ ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟାପି ଯାଇଛି. ସେ ସମୟରେ ବିଶେଷ କରି ରିପୋର୍ଟର ବା ସାମ୍ବାଦିକମାନେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେ ପିଲାମାନେ ନିହାତି ଭାବେ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ଯେ ଆମେମାନେ ଅନେକ ବାଧାବିଘ୍ନ ସହ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା. କାହିଁକିନା ଆମକୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟିଂ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇବାର ଅଛି. କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ସଠିକ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ, ଆପଣ ସଠିକ୍ ତଥ୍ୟ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ. ତ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ କଥା ହେଉଛି କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ସଚେତନ ରହିବେ. ଯାହା ସରକାର ଗାଇଡ଼ଲାଇନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି, सोशल डिस्टेंस कथा कहतु, मास्क कथा कहतु, सैनिटाइज कथा कहतु.
नमस्कार, मु लिपिका. मु आज तुम मानू पीसीआर विषय कहबी. मीडिया लाइन रो बहुत किसी तुम देखुच, जानुच, टीवी देखुच. तो पीसीआर माने प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल रूम. प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल रूम रे गोटे टीम वर्क हुए, जो थी कि आम टीवी रे जहाँ देखुचु सेटा ए डिपार्टमेंट थ्रू आउट ही तुम मैंने देखिपारुच. ए बहुत प्रकार मेसीन लगी. भितर आम ग्राफिक्स को कंट्रोल करुचु, कैमेरा को कंट्रोल करुचु, एंकर को कंट्रोल करुचु, और जिते आउटसोर्स आसुची ताकू मध्य कंट्रोल करुचु. भल भाव में गोटे पैकेजटे तुम मान पाखे प्रेजेंट करुचु, जोटा फैक्ट तुम मान को आम जनाऊँ.
देखिले तो पिला माने एठारे किभଳି न्यूज प्रस्तुत हुए आउ तुम मानक पाखरे टेक्निक खबर पहुँची पारे तुमे माने घरे रहिथिबा समय रे. आउ ए खबर आपणक पाखरे पहुँचाइबा पई आमे घरे रहि नाहु. एभଳି पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन रे आमे बाहर को आसीछु आउ सबु खबर तुम मानक पाखरे पहुँचाइछु ताकि तुमे माने सजाग रहिबो, कोरोना ठारू दूरे रहिबो. स्टे होम स्टे सेफ एही नारा प्रथमरु ही चली आसीछि. आउ तुमे माने एहाकू प्रति मुहूर्त रे मानिबो. जदि भी बाहर को जाउछ मास्क पिंधिबो, प्रॉपर सैनिटाइज हेबो, गैदरिंग भितर को तो बिल्कुल भी जीव नाही. कोरोना ठारू दूरे रहिबो। थैंक यू ऑल, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, वॉच न्यूज ऑन न्यूज 7।
Whenever we are in trouble, we want to do well in exams, and now when you want the world to be free of corona, whom do we pray? We pray God. You know, children, God is one. People of different religion call him in different names and worship him in different places. So, let's visit different places of worship in our neighborhood.
Hello kids, so see this thing you find in your neighborhood. Do you see in your neighborhood? Yes, this is a temple. You can see there are priests over here who worship God. This is a temple where people come to pray, and there are idols of God and goddesses, and the priests offer prayers over here for the well-being and goodness of others. Okay kids? Okay.
क़िबला की सिमत हुआ करती है। पूरे आलम इस्लाम में जहाँ के भी मस्जिद है, सब मस्जिद क़िबला की तरफ हुआ करती है। और इसमें हम दिन में 5 वक्त की नमाज़ अदा करते हैं। पहली नमाज फ़जर है, उसके बाद ज़ोहर है, उसके बाद असर है, उसके बाद मगरिब, फिर उसके बाद नमाज इशा पढ़ी जाती है। और हफ्ते में एक बार नमाज जुमा अदा की जाती है, उसे हफ्ते की ईद कहा जाता है। जैसे हमारा ईद पूरे साल में 3 मरतबा आता है, इसी तरह हर हफ्ते भी ईद मनाया जाता है। नमाज जुमा को भी नमाज ईद के नाम से याद किया जाता है।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ। ਇਹ ਹੈ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਭਾ ਮਲੋਟ। ਇਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਉਤਾਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜੋੜਾ ਕਰ। इस तरह लोग इस जगह ते मतलब इस जगह ते अपने शूज़ उतार दे। ये देखो, और यहाँ से हम एंट्री करते हैं। यहाँ पे सबसे पहले जब एंटर करते हैं तो यहाँ पे एक बार माथा टेकते हैं। ये है वो जगह जहाँ पे भगवान का नाम लिया जाता है और पीछे लिखा है सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु। इस तरह लोग भगवान के आगे माथा टेकते हैं।
Hi all, I'm standing in front of a famous church in California, United States. What is a church? A church is a place where Christians come to worship their beloved God, Jesus. The church is built in a cross shape with the altar facing east towards the rising sun. What do we do in church? In church, we offer prayers, read from a Bible, and listen to the pastor about Christian religion. In addition to the prayers, we also have funerals and marriages held here. Anybody from any religion can come here. There's no restriction. Thank you.
During this pandemic situation, life has adopted a new normal, that is, staying at home to fight corona. But do you know, children, we are able to stay safe, healthy, and we are able to get our needs fulfilled sitting at home only, because many people have sacrificed their family, their safety, and are in the open, stretching their hands to help us whenever we need. Therefore, let us pay a grand salute to all these COVID warriors. We are safe because they are guarding us by staking their lives and proving the proverb, service to mankind is service to God. Let's see.
कौन करे आम तो क्षीर नदेले न हम ना मैंने लोक तो क्षीर दवा दरकार लोक भी कहते किसी भय करूनी आस कि दूरता मेंटेन नहीं कर मैंने दूर क्षीरटा देवी तुम जान एमती कहते लोक बाध्य के आसु तुम्हें भय कर किसी दरकार ना दूरटा मेंटेन कर मास्क पिंध सानिटाइजर के हाथ में सदा मारंतु किसी असुविधा किसी ना भय कर दरकार नहीं लोक कहते आम भय जहाँ भय करूँ
Hello children, so you see how this delivery uncle from Mintra, he has come to deliver an order, and you see during this situation also how they are working throughout the day. So we all must thank to these people who are serving us day and night. Okay children, so now uncle wants to tell you something. Okay,
ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି ଆମକୁ ଯେଉଁ ଡେଲିଭରି ଦେବାକୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡର ଲାଗୁନି?
ଡର ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଗିବ ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ଡର ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଗିବ, ଡର ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଗିବ, କାରଣ କରୋନା ଭାଇରସ୍ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଭାଇରସ୍ ତ ସାରା ବିଶ୍ୱକୁ ଆସେ, ତ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ତ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର, ଏଇଟା ନିହାତି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଜିନିଷ। ତ ଏବେ ସବୁ ଲକଡାଉନ୍ ଚାଲିଛି, ଗ୍ରୋସରୀ ଫୋସରୀ ସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ ଅଛି, ତ ଆମେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଜରିଆରେ ଯଦି ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ପାରିବୁ ତ
Okay, so children, see, uncle is telling that ଆମକୁ ଆମ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ଡର ତ ଲାଗୁଛି, but work is worship for them. So children, we all must give them, the superheroes, a big salute, isn't it? And you see how they all are helping us throughout day and night. So thank you uncle. What you have for us? So he has brought a parcel for us. Thank you uncle.
मो ना गोविंदा मु सुरक्षार्थी गोटे मुझे ट्रक रे सब कचरा नौची गोटे बकेट्रे मोर सुखिला कचरा और गोटे बकेट्रे ओदा कचरा मु कलेक्ट करुच्ची। आई कोविड टाइम रे लोक मैंने आगे कौन ना आसुले सब मैला नहीं मो ट्रक रे पकेयाकू एबे मु घर घर बुली नहीं आसी सब वार्ड को आम जाऊँ सबुदिन सब मैला को नहीं आसी पकाऊँ।
Hello students, I am Preeti Chanda, teacher in DAV Public School, Pokariput. Hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Because of COVID-19, nearly 1.6 billion learners, including you, have been affected by school closure. Due to COVID-19, this pandemic has given us, the teachers, an opportunity to expand our boundaries and reach to you all through virtual mode. We have to balance between the innovation of technologies, ensuring continuation of learning, supporting your mental health and well-being of all of you. To make the online classes more interactive and lively, we approached the fun-loving system and method by using quizzes, Kahoot and many more. Your smiles encouraged us to create more innovations for the virtual classes for an interactive and lively class. Hope by God's grace we all will meet soon. Happy learning! Bye!
आमे माने ए कोविड समय रे आपण माने किपरि सुविधा रही पारिबे खरा वर्ष खातिर न करी ड्यूटी करियछु। एई कोविड समय रे जटिल समय रे आमे माने हम परिवार पिला संग छाड़ी आपण मानक सुरक्षा रे सबु बेले नियोजित होई रहियछु। तेणु आपण माने सरकारंकर गाइडलाइन मानी घरे रुहंतु, सुस्थ रुहंतु, सबु बेले मास्क पिंधंतु एवं बाहर आसला परे बारंबार हाथ को धोई कोविड को हरातु।
I am Nabanita, Senior Nursing Officer AIMS Bhubaneswar. This message is for all school students. Students, you all know that we are now in COVID pandemic situations, but don't be panic. You can be safe by following these golden tips. Number 1, stay at your home. Don't go outside without asking your parents. Second, if you go outside, then put your mask properly. It should be cover your nose, mouth and chin. Third one, maintain 6 feet distance from another person. Fourth one, repeatedly don't touch your nose, mouth and eyes. Fifth one, wash your hand before taking food. Sixth one, if you feel any discomfort, tell your parents first. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning my friends. Myself Dr. Jagdish. I am a newborn and child health specialist at SOM Hospital, Bhubaneswar. So here I am going to tell something about COVID-19 virus and how it has affected. You must have read, all of you, in the newspapers, you must have heard about the lockdown, about the COVID-19. It is a new virus that has affected us in the last time. But this time, the virus is more transmissible. It causes more damage, it infects very fast, and it has affected more children as compared to the last year. So my little friends, please be careful. Last time we have seen only in 2 to 3% cases of children are getting affected. This year we are seeing almost 9 to 10% of kids are getting affected at home. And as you know, this COVID-19 virus, the mode of transmissions, again it is mostly a droplet infection that spreads with your cough when you sneeze. And recent evidence has also told that recent journals has published that it can also travel through the air. Coming to the symptoms of this COVID-19 virus that are seen in the children, this virus can present with common cold-like symptoms like fever, rhinorrhea, nasal cough and cold, difficulty in breathing, rapid breathing, pain abdomen, loose motions, skin rashes, and generalized weakness of the body. So these are all common symptoms of a viral infection. But during this pandemic period, if you are having such symptoms, then please isolate yourselves, please use mask, please ask for testing, going to the hospital. So don't get afraid of coming to the hospital if you have got symptoms. We are ready to help you in these difficult times. So how we can improve our immunity? For this, I must request each of my little friends, please take care of nutrition, avoid junk foods, take plenty of juice, plenty of fruits, plenty of water for hydration, go for light exercises. These are all help you to improve immunity. Also, go for sleep early. If you have a sound sleep, that also improves your immunity. Another most important point, you involve yourself in, along with your online classes, indoor games. You can indoor play activity, you can involve different activity games, you can involve with the sand games, the clay activity, you can do that. And by this you can improve your mental strength and you can utilize your time. But stay strong, we are definitely going to fight against this COVID-19 and we are going to win this battle. Thank you. I have to go to my hospital for the duty. Bye. We'll come next time with some other videos. Thank you. Bye.
ये जो फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स मानकर ड्यूटी बेसिकली हम हेल्थ डॉक्टर्स एंड हेल्थ वर्कर्स ऑन ऑल द स्टाफ्स ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल्स जेते सिचुएशन जेते लॉकडाउन शटडाउन जहाँ भी हो आमको आमर दायित्व करने को पड़ो ही पड़ो कारण ये भाइरस रे आम जिते सतर्कता अवलंबन कले भी किसी ना किसी लोक आफेक्ट होती तो से देखा चिकित्सा करवा हूँ आम मान दायित्व तो आम चिकित्सा समय बहुत प्रकार प्रिकसन नौ मास्क पिंधु पीपीई किट पिंधु सब प्रकार सानिटाइजेशन करें भी आम आम जीवन को बाजी लगे आम कम करने को बाध्य हो छड़ा गोटे सिवियर पर्सन को डायरेक्टली जो मैंने सिवियर कोविड इन्फेक्शन पर्सन को पूरा डायरेक्टली कंटाक्ट रे माने आसुछु आमे किंतु समान को चिकित्सा करूछु चेष्टा करूछु प्राणपणे केमती ताकू भलो
No pandemic can stop our will, and fear will never win. So here's to our brave Corona warriors.
कभी अगर दुखी होता हूँ तब भी डांस करता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है तब भी डांस करता हूँ। ऋतिक रोशन मेरे फेवरेट है। मैंने किसी से प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग तो ली नहीं है और इतना अच्छा डांस मैं करता भी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन जो भी आता है मैं इनो से ही सीखा है मैंने। किसी का तबीयत खराब हो रहा है, किसी का डेथ हो रहा है, तो ये सब में मतलब मेंटल सिचुएशन मतलब अप्स एंड डाउन्स में जाता है बहुत। तो इसी बीच में अगर आपको मतलब ऐसी कोई अगर कोई अच्छा सा गाना भी गा दे तो कोई डांस भी कर दे तो बहुत रिलैक्स फील होता है। सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे सोच ना जी आज
Children, how was the journey? Wasn't it interesting and informative? You must have understood the importance of neighborhood in our lives. And you also must have realized how the frontline COVID warriors are risking their lives just to save ours. Let's take an oath we will abide by all the COVID guidelines and help the government and the COVID warriors in defeating Corona. Even this shall pass away. With this positive note, we sign off. Again, we will meet with something more interesting and informative very soon. Goodbye. Think positive but test negative. Bye-bye.